Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Meek. We're here with lesson 21 and we're getting ready to do cat in the hat stuff today. So before you get started, I want you to get a pencil and then you're gonna need your activity sheets to do the lessons that we're gonna have today. And we've got our little cat in the hat to join us with our assignment. The first part that we're going to do is because we've been doing a lot of ones and tens and trying to figure out the number. I am just going to show you a number. You are going to count how many tens, how many ones, and then you are going to match that number to your paper once I've shown you the card. So there's going to be 10 of them. If at any time I'm going too fast, you can always slow it down, pause it, and then continue if it goes too fast. So the first one is right here. You're going to look at how many tens, how many ones, and write that number for number one. So that's number one. Flip it over. This is number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. And 10. And that's all you have to do today. Just see if you can show me how many ones, how many tens for the cat in the hat does math. That was our first activity. The second part is we're going to be talking about even and odd numbers. Even numbers, remember, always end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and they can be divided equally. So if I had 4 cookies and I'm sharing them with you, we would each have 2, so that would be an even number. So anything that can be shared is even. Odd is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. If any number ends in one of these numbers, it's odd. So today we're going to take a look at whether numbers are even or whether they are odd. And I have some cat in the hat numbers, and some of these numbers are bigger, so don't get worried if they're bigger. I'm going to show you a number. We're going to do the first few together. You're going to look at this ending number, 82. If I look over here, it ends in a 2, so that is an even number. So on the even side, you're going to write the number 82 because that is an even number. The second number that we have is 27. I'm going to look at that ending number, and I look over here. 7 cannot be divided equally. 7 is odd. So you are going to write the number 27 on the odd side. It can't be shared evenly. The next number is 74. A 4 is 0, 2, 4, 6, or an 8, so it's even. So you are going to write 74 on the side that is even. And the next number is 90. Any number that ends in a 0 can be divided equally, so you're going to put any numbers that end in a 0 on the even side. Your next number is 55. 5 cannot be divided equally, so it is odd. So you're going to write 5 on the odd. Now the rest of these, I'm going to have you see if you can do them. 59. Look at the 9. Is it even or is it odd? Can it be divided equally? And you write number 59 on the even side or the odd side. what you think it is. And the next one that you're going to do is 48. Look at that ending 8. Is it on the even side or is it on the odd side? And write 48 on whether it's even or odd. And the next one you're going to do big number, 99. Look at that ending 9. Is it even or is it odd? You decide and write it on odd or even. Can it be divided equally? Okay, once you've done that, that concludes our little lesson on even and odd, and we're going to keep practicing that also in the classroom. The next part that we're going to do is it's called Silly Sounds, and I have numbered coins on here, but I'm not going to fill in all of the numbers on the coins for this one. I'm going to just show you a card. I just randomly picked out some of them, and I've got a word on here. You are going to match up. Do you see how this is a 10? You are going to look at your packet. You're going to look for the number 10, and I'm going to see if you can write the ending sound. Now, if it's a chunk, I want to see if you can write the whole chunk. If you want to try to write the whole word, when you turn in your homework packet, I'm going to look at it, and I'll give you a nice smelly sticker on it if you can do that. So for number 10, I want to see if you can do the ending sound for fish. Say the word slowly, and then right here inside the circle, write the ending sound for fish. The next one is on number 21. You look at your paper. On number 21, I want you to write the ending sound for gum. On number 20, I want to see if you can write the ending sound for cupcake. It's a compound word. Just see if you can do the last sound. And number 12, find it on your paper and write the ending sound for paper. And number 7, the ending sound for hippo. And number 14, the ending sound for volcano. Number 6, the ending sound for lion. And number 1, the ending sound for seed. And number 8, the ending sound for dog. And number 4, the ending sound for tent. And remember, if you wanted to go back and sound out the whole word, if you can, that would be awesome. Cat in the Hat would be really proud of you if you did that. So that's all the activities I have for you today for lesson 21. When you're finished, turn them back in, and if you sounded out all of them, you'll get a smelly sticker. So see you next time.